Hello guys, welcome to Cubing Minds. So if you're wondering about what are those letters on the screen, they are called Rubik's Cube notations. So today I'm going to teach you the notations and how to use them on your cube. So let's get started. First of all, to know about notations, you should know about what are the layers on the cube. So the layers are up, down, right, left, front and back. So they are always denoted with the capital letters. So it's gonna be R when you're doing a 90 degrees turn or doing a move in a clockwise direction. It's gonna be just the letter, so it's gonna be R. And what the L does is you should not do the L as the same way R does, so you should always do it opposite. So the pairs are R and L, U and D, F and B layers are always opposite to each other. So the moves should look like this. R goes 90 degrees upwards and left goes downwards like this. So L means that. U clockwards is like this and D clockwards is like this. So this is gonna be F and this is gonna be B. So B is like this. So the next thing we're going to talking about is the prime. So if you add an apostrophe to the letter or the notation, it becomes prime. So if we add apostrophe to R, it becomes R prime. We're going to call it R prime, L prime, U prime, D prime, F prime and B prime. So it's going to look like this. R prime would be minus 90 degrees or downwards like this in the direction of L we did. So L prime would be in the direction of R as we did, so it would be look like that. And D would be anti-clockwise, U prime anti-clockwise. Oh, sorry, it is just D prime. So D prime would look like that, and F prime would look like anti-clockwise like this, and B prime is like this. So next we're gonna talk about the middle slices. So the middle slices are M, S and E slices. So the slice is nothing but this middle layer. So the middle layer between R and L is called M, that is the middle layer. The layer between F, front layer and back layer is called the S slice, and the layer between the up layer and down layer is called the E slice. So we're going to talk about this. So M is the same as L. So M would look like this downwards, and M prime would be like R. So it would be upwards like that. S is like F. So clockwise S would look like this, and anti-clockwise S would look like this. E slice is the same as up. So clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is E and this is E prime. So if you have any two mole as the we say U2, so the 2 after the letter or the notation U is like turning the up layer 2 times. In any way it will be same. So turning the up layer 2 times. So for R, if you add the 2, it would be R2. That would look like R 2 times, L 2 times. So up 2 times means U2, D2 and F2 and B2. So M2 would look like this. If you have any small letters in your algorithms or notations, it would be double layers on a 3 by 3. So R small r would look like this, turning the middle slice and the R layer at the same time. R small r and prime would look like this. So small letters would be used in as a, we can just say R small letter R, or we can say R wide. So it would look like this. R, small letter R, and small letter R prime. This would look like L, small L prime, and this is small L, and this is small U, this is small D, this is small U prime, and this will be small D prime. In the same way, we have it for front layers and back layers. So the moves that I taught you today are R, R prime, L, L prime, small r, small l, U, U prime, D, D prime, U, small u prime, small d prime, F, F prime, B, B prime, F, small f prime, small b, small b prime. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that and turn the notifications on so that you'll not miss any video I post. If you want to buy these cubes, I'll give a link to the shop in the description. See you guys in my next video. Till then, happy cubing.